Welcome to Nights of Tequila. I'm here with my good friend Tyler, and we're just a couple of grown men who have no idea how to cook a turkey. And you know what? We're hungry. So, you know what we did?
We scoured the internet. The internet told us, spatchcock it.
That's what we're gonna do, spatchcock it. Enjoy. All right, so now before we get to the good stuff, we gotta cut up some vegetables. Now, we're reading this entire recipe off of text message, so bear with us. We're gonna learn together.
Thanks, Mom.
So we're gonna wash these first.
And your hands. This is called mirepoix, David.
Mirepoix?
Well, no, mirepoix.
All right, so we're mirepoixing.
Well, no.
Thug butts.
I'm scared of you and that knife. Do you wanna? Okay. Let the boy watch.
All right, so we're cutting all these veggies that we're gonna throw in the bottom of the pan underneath our delicious honey ball turkey. Actually, it's not a honey ball.
Couldn't spring enough money for the honey ball, huh? The poor people. I bet he swims in public pools.
The honey balls were frozen, and like I said, we're hungry, so we don't have time for that. I feel like I have nothing to do.
Why don't you take a shot?
All right, so we got carrots, onions, celery. We're gonna go with some lemons too. Lemons work with everything. And we got some cloves. Cloves. All right, that's garlic. It's a garlic clove that we'll cut.
You live under a bridge.
Spatchcock residue?
It smells like my blanket from underneath my bed when I was a kid growing up.
What's that move?
What'd you know about that, boy?
I don't know what that does, but it looks pretty cool.
You want to smash one?
I do.
All right, go ahead and smash.
All right, so we have all our vegetables cut up, but we're still concerned about the next step. So
My mom says put it all in the pan. How, 2 cups? 2 cups of vegetable oil. Thanks, Ma.
nice. Cheers to Mama. All right, vegetable slide.
Yeah, that was pretty good.
All right, so now we got a pan. We need 2 cups of vegetable stock.
Probably take the labels off of these, huh?
All right, so now we're getting 2 cups. Oh, whatever.
Where are we at?
The cups are on the other side.
All the way at the top?
I don't know. I can't see it. Yeah, 2 cups is the top. There you go.
All right.
All right. Splash.
It looks like diarrhea.
All right, now we're getting rid of the pan and we're moving on to the spatchcocking.
All right, goodbye, vomit vegetables.
So I will be doing the messy work because I've watched so many YouTube videos on how to. But first, we got rid of our vegetable cutting tray because we don't want these juices everywhere. We're gonna wash this baby.
Yeah.
Oh, turkey bath.
Yeah.
You just like scrub it, little belly rub. All right, that's enough of that. Whatever. There we go. All right, so now I'm taking out the junk. Is there more junk in there?
I told you gotta get your whole hand in there, boy.
That's it. All right.
I found something.
I don't. So what are you searching for? All right, so we got some of the junk out. Now, we need to rip its spine out. Unfortunately, the knife won't do. You need some poultry scissors, like so. So in order to do that, we're gonna cut on the right side of the spine.
Okay.
All right.
Oh, hello, scientist. What's the objective here?
We want to rip its spine out, so when we throw it on his belly and then we break his ribs, he lays flat, and then it'll cook faster so we can eat sooner. So many bones.
Notice the professional handwork.
It's a tough bird.
It's not a tough bird.
All right, I'm gonna work from the other side.
Oh,
There we go.
yep, down there deep. Oh, oh, those are bones crackling. This is gonna be a great episode for vegans.
Regular scissors will not do the trick.
What is that? That's another turkey.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah. That's a good ligament.
All right.
Ooh. Oh, don't.
So what I was just doing, don't do that. It hurts.
Yeah,
That was
there you
it.
go.
That was the
there
one.
it is.
All right.
All right.
So
What do we do with that piece?
there's our spine. They say you can use it for, I don't know.
I think you should hang it out your front door to keep the rest of the varmints out.
All right, so we're gonna take out the innards. Unless you wanna eat that. So now we can flip it. So now we're gonna flip it. We're gonna
Beautiful.
grab these little legs and all right, now we gotta break its breasts. I'd have you do it, but you're too weak.
Oh! 5.
Yeah, that's it.
David, to make sure I'm on the same page here, you're intentionally mangling this bird?
Broke his back. His back is broken. All right, so we've broken this thing up. Now we just have to, we gotta season it. Some olive oil. Meat rub, meat rub.
I really like the haunches right here, you know?
All right, so we're really peppered up. So we're gonna preheat the oven 450.
Sure, that's what Mom says.
All right, while we preheat, we're gonna throw this bird,
I just gotta slap it down on there.
hold it high. Nice.
Yeah.
I think we
Notice
may have
I've
done it.
washed my hands 15 times. He hasn't done it once.
One time. He'll die young.
We're thoroughly spatchcocked, so it's time for the oven.
It's going in together. Yes. Yes, sir. Little over an hour in, still having tequilas. We gotta see where our bird's at. Let's find out. So we want 170 for the legs, and for the breast, we're looking at 155. Nailed it. All right, so first time through. Yeah, of course this bird is perfect. Let's take it out. Ah, there we go. Yes, sir. During the holiday season, it's important to be thankful. And today, well, I'm thankful for this amazing spatchcock turkey.
I'm thankful for killing it on the first time, every time.
Of course.
Okay.
If you like what we're cooking up in the kitchen, be sure to subscribe, and we'll give you more recipes that you could or could not make. But we encourage you to make them. Just make them.